Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna talk about 5 lessons in math that I learned in my grade 7 math school year. So let's get into it. So the first lesson we're gonna be talking about is system measurement. So in system measurement, it's pretty easy to understand and it's pretty helpful in real life situations. If you don't have a ruler, uh, you can just use a paper and just calculate the things that you want to calculate. Examples are some books or this table. For example, you can calculate the meters of how long it is, inches. Yes, and the second part is the second lesson we're going to be talking about is foundation of geometry. So in foundation of geometry, first, it's kind of hard for me, but with a little study and reviews, it's pretty easy for me. So in foundation geometry, we have three types. Oh no, not three types. Three important three important things in foundation geometry. So the first, we have point. It is an indication of a specific location in a space. And the second, line. It is a set of points that extends endlessly in opposite directions. And the last one is planes. It is a two-dimensional figure that has length and width but no thickness. So the third lesson, we're going to talk about angles. Angles. It is the union of two rays having the same endpoint called the vertex of the angle. So, with an angle of 89 or lower, it is called an acute angle. An angle more than 90 is called a right angle. And an angle more than 91 and less than 179 is called an obtuse angle. And an angle that is literally 80 degrees is called a straight angle. And 181 degrees to 359 degrees is called a reflex angle. And the last one, 360 degrees, is called a complete angle. And congruent angle is the same measurement, adjacent angle, common vertex, 8 common sides, and a supplementary angle, total measurement of the angle. For the fourth lesson, we're going to be talking about circles. So, the first thing we're going to talk about circle is radius and the equal distance of the center of any point on the circle. And we're going to talk about diameter. A chord that passes through of the circle is the diameter, guys. So the chord is a segment whose endpoint lies on the circle. So, without further ado, guys, this is So there are two types of statistics. One being descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So the descriptive is about characteristics and the description of the entire population. And inferential statistics means make interpretation by making conclusions about the population. And the variable, it is the characteristic or attribute that can be assumed different value. And the data is a collection of observation such as measurements, population, volume, gender, age, economic status, or survey response. So that is all, guys. 5 lessons in math, grade 7, that I learned in this whole quarter. 4 quarters, guys. I wish y'all have a nice day. Peace.